ImageJ. Oh, it pops up already. You can click on the link over here or a shortcut link here. Click on it. Window pops up. Choose your OS. I'll be using Windows. Bundle with 32-bit Java. Takes about 28 megs. High-speed high-speed internet. You will be able to download it within minutes. Click on it. Yeah, you want to keep it? Yes. Download it. Keep it. Once you are finished downloading it, you double-click on the installation link. Installation file. Click on it. You run it. Next, next, and next. Create a desktop icon so that it's much more easier for you to recall the software later. Next, install. Click on install, and next thing you will see, I'm not going to click here because I already installed it in my system. So I already installed it, so I'm not going to install again. So what you will see once I finish installing it is a new icon appear in your desktop. ImageJ, microscope, I think. Symbol of icon is a microscope. So you double click on it, a new window pops up. This is the toolbar for ImageJ. So move it across the screen. Now this ImageJ software is intended for measuring any length or area according to pixel. So if you want to measure anything, you need to have a source file. So where are you going to get a source file? You need to import it. So I will go to File, Import. Import, you have lots of choice. You have image sequence, your raw file, so on and so forth. But what we're going to do today is image from your smartphone. You need to look into a folder, where you save your file at. And I'm going to use this image. There are a total of 12 images in my folder. Open it. Take some time to load. Now, there are a number of images. There are 12 images shown here. Starting image, I do not want to start importing the first image because I'm not doing it. So I'm going to start with the last one. Increment, one only, because there's only one images. If you will start off with number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 increment. You may set it 2. So all the 1, 3, 5, 7, all the images will import. So this, we don't really make use of this because we are importing the last one. Set scale 100, start name numerically. This is not relevant to our discussion today. So OK. And yeah, it pops up. Now this image appears to be blurred. It's not clear. But doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's clear or not because it's not important. It's not an important factor. What is important? It has to be perpendicular or normal to your object. Or I need to repeat again. Your camera image has to be perpendicular to its images. To your object. Your scale. You need to scale later, because what happened here, your computer doesn't know what is centimeter, doesn't know how long is centimeter. But what your computer knows is pixel. Every unit is in pixel. You need to convert this pixel. You need to define this pixel. You need to teach this computer how long is 1 centimeter. How many pixels translate to 1 centimeter? How many pixels equals to 1 cm? So you need to define it. You need to teach this computer. So how do you do that? Well, to start off with, you need to draw a line. So you go to the 5th icon, click on it. You may use other options by right click on it, the segment line, freehand line, I don't know. Make use of a straight line will do. draw a straight line. A straight line says from here out, from here maybe, it is here, the crosshair, click on it and drag it across. This image is slightly tilted, but you do not want to tilt your straight line. It has to be a horizontal line because we are setting the scale. So once you have drawn a straight line, you go to Analyze, you go to Set Scale. So distance in pixel is 852. This line is 852 pixels, and this length translate to 30 centimeter because I'm 30 centimeter. Unit of length, you know, number without unit, they are meaningless. That's why you need to define unit is centimeter. So let's translate to 28.4 pixel per cm. 1 cm equals to 28.4 pixel. So okay, and you're basically set to go. Before we can do that, you go to again, Analyze again, Set Measurements. These are the options available. In your site, you're going to, the area is clicked, so you uncheck those area. You doesn't want area, you doesn't want standard deviation, centroid. Those are things that's not relevant. Maybe you use median, yes. Scientific notation, yes, times 10 to the power, yeah. We want to display label. And decimal places, let's use we use 4, no harm. Use 4 decimal places. Okay, and then third step, go to Analyze again. You want to have your first measurement. This is a result, just a clipboard to show you a result. So the first one, this line here is about 30 centimeter, 3.0, 4 decimal places, times 10 power 1. E is an exponential, it's a power 1 in computer. So if I want to find out any other object, you are free to go. The first one is always your scale. You want to find out how long is this pen or this image. So again, a straight line, you click on the tip of it and drag it through. It doesn't matter if it's an angle, doesn't matter, but you try to make it, oh okay, I think it's here. It doesn't show here yet. What you need to do is go to Analyze. You may either click on Measure here, or you use a shortcut key called Control M. Click on here. It's 13.379. Well, you're not satisfied with it. You want to measure again. You click again, drag it up to here maybe. I press on Control M, and it turns out that, oh okay, 13.36, which appear to be quite accurate because the length of this pen is actually about 14 centimeter. So you want to make it more accurate, take a few more readings, make sure, maybe a start here, you don't overlay it, you start here, click, drag it, and stop somewhere here, release it, Control M again, 13.34, and then again, Control M, 13.34, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, another one is in, I'm not satisfied with it yet. Click on outer space, and then okay, M. It's 13.84. So if you are satisfied with it, what you can do, you may either go to Analyze, because you have a series of them. You may either take all this data, or just take either one. But normally we take a mean, isn't it? So you go to Summarize. Summarize, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Minimum is 13.37. This is the length of your pen, and this is the length of your scale bar. Maximum is 30 centimeter. So it's 13.37, 13.4. So yeah, uncertainties of about 0.5 centimeter. So it's quite accurate though. It's a freeware. Do feel free to use it. You may use it some other time in your degree later. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.